Stop buying rust remover. That bottle in your garage, the one with the industrial-sounding name and the $28 price tag, contains roughly 40 cents worth of active chemistry. The rest is water, thickener, fragrance, and packaging designed to make sure you never ask what is actually inside it. The only ingredient that removes rust is sitting in the baking aisle of your grocery store right now. It costs $1. It outperforms every commercial product on the shelf, not by a small margin, completely. Today I am walking you through 15 things you need to know: the science, the protocol, the mistakes that destroy results, and the one final step that determines whether this works permanently or fails within 24 hours. Every number builds on the last. Do not skip ahead. Number 15. Rust is not what you think. Rust is not dirt sitting on top of metal. It is an electrochemical reaction happening inside the metal surface, iron atoms combining with oxygen and moisture to form compounds that expand, crack, and pull more moisture deeper in. Wire brushing removes the outer layer and leaves the active reaction zone completely intact. The rust returns faster because you exposed fresh reactive metal without stopping the chemistry driving it. Mechanical cleaning always fails long-term. Chemical treatment is the only approach that interrupts the reaction at the source. Everything else is temporary. Number 14. Why the $30 bottle is a deliberate deception. Commercial rust removers are primarily phosphoric acid, oxalic acid, or citric acid diluted in water. Commodity chemicals. Not proprietary. Not advanced. Not worth $30. The gels and thickeners added to make the product feel premium actually reduce effectiveness. They create a barrier between the acid and the rusted surface, slowing the chemistry down. A thin liquid acid solution penetrates rust faster and more completely than any gel formula. You have been paying a premium for an ingredient that makes the product work worse. That is not an accident. That is a business model built on your not knowing this. Number 13. What citric acid does to rust. Citric acid powder, sold as sour salt in the baking section of every grocery store in America, is the answer. 1 pound costs $1 to $3 and treats dozens of projects. Phosphoric acid dissolves rust but leaves behind a gray conversion coating on the metal. That is not clean metal. Citric acid works through chelation. Its molecules bind directly to iron ions, form water-soluble complexes, and carry them completely off the surface when rinsed. What remains is bare, clean metal. Not a residue. Not a coating. The original surface, exactly as it was before oxidation began. Industrial restoration operations have used this chemistry for decades. The retail market simply never told you. Number 12. The concentration mistake that ruins everything. The solution must be saturated, 8 tablespoons of citric acid powder per cup of warm water. Most people add 1 tablespoon to a bowl of water, get a weak solution, apply it to heavy rust, see almost no reaction, and conclude the method does not work. The method works perfectly. The concentration was wrong. A properly saturated solution produces visible bubbling within minutes as iron oxide dissolves. If you do not see that reaction, your concentration is insufficient. Remake it. Concentration is the single variable separating dramatic results from complete disappointment. Number 11. Contact time cannot be replaced by effort. Surface rust dissolves in saturated citric acid within 30 minutes to 2 hours. Deep rust requires complete submersion for 12 to 24 hours. Not a surface wipe. Not a quick dip. Full submersion with every rusted surface covered by fresh solution the entire time. Pulling items early and scrubbing harder produces partial results. The chemistry does the work. Your job is to give it uninterrupted time. 4 oversized items. Wrap in citric acid-saturated rags sealed in plastic and refresh every few hours. Number 10. The 30-minute post-treatment rule. Bare metal after citric acid treatment is the most reactive surface in normal use. The natural protective oxide layer is completely gone. In humid air, early rust begins forming within 2 to 4 hours. Under high humidity, visible orange spots appear within 30 minutes. Most people complete a successful treatment, set the item aside, and find rust returning by morning. The treatment did not fail. The protocol was left incomplete. Protection must be applied within 30 minutes of drying, penetrating oil for stored tools, self-etching primer for surfaces going to paint, seasoning oil in a hot oven for cast iron. This is the step that determines whether results last years or disappear overnight. Number 9. Cast iron, the most dramatic recovery. Cast iron with severe rust, pitted, orange, completely unseasoned, appears destroyed. Most people discard it. Do not. A 24-hour soak in saturated citric acid recovers it completely. The chelation mechanism penetrates cast iron's porous microstructure and pulls iron oxide from depths no wire brush can reach. After soaking, scrub under running water, dry immediately over a burner or in a hot oven, and season with thin coats of high smoke point oil baked at high temperature. 2 to 3 seasoning cycles on properly stripped cast iron produces a surface equal to or better than new factory cookware. Cast iron you were about to throw away becomes the best pan in the kitchen. Number 8. Automotive rust, where the real money is. Professional rust treatment at a body shop runs $400 to $800. The active chemistry in that service is functionally identical to what $10 of citric acid solution delivers. Wrap external surfaces in citric acid-saturated material sealed with plastic for 12 to 24 hours while injecting saturated solution into internal cavities through access points. After treatment, rinse completely, dry with compressed air in enclosed sections, then apply cavity wax inside and self-etching primer on exposed metal within 30 minutes. The cost difference between this protocol and a professional shop treatment, approximately $790. That number is precise, not approximate. Number 7. Electrolysis for extreme cases. For rust so severe that 24-hour soaking still leaves residue, combining citric acid with electrolysis cuts treatment time from days to hours. The setup requires a 12-volt battery charger, which already exists in virtually every garage, a sacrificial steel plate as an electrode, washing soda in water as the conducting solution, and a plastic container. Adding citric acid to that solution makes the process measurably faster because chelation and electrochemical reduction work simultaneously. Setup cost, 0, if you own a battery charger. Number 6. Never pour out the spent solution. After rust removal, the dark orange-brown liquid looks like waste. Most people pour it down the drain. That is wrong twice over. Spent solution retains 60 to 70% chelating capacity after treating heavily rusted items. Filter out loose particles, restore saturation with more powder, and it treats additional surfaces. When genuinely spent, dilute it and apply it to garden beds. Iron citrate complexes in that liquid are chelated iron, the exact premium form sold at garden centers as an iron supplement for deficient soil. You have been pouring money down the drain. Number 5. Chrome and plated surfaces, modified rules. For light rust on intact plating, apply citric acid paste directly to the rust spot, leave 5 to 10 minutes maximum, scrub and rinse immediately. Minutes, not hours. For surfaces where rust has already bubbled or lifted the plating from beneath, the plating is structurally gone regardless of what you do. Citric acid removes the rust underneath, the detached plating clears away, and the base steel can be recoated. This is not a failure. It is an accurate outcome on a surface that was already compromised before you touched it. Number 4. $1 per year prevents it from coming back. After cleaning any bare metal surface, wipe with dilute citric acid solution, then immediately apply a thin coat of penetrating oil. The citric acid creates mild surface passivation. The oil excludes moisture from that surface. Together they extend rust-free storage in humid shop environments from weeks to months. Annual cost for an entire workshop, under $1 in citric acid and a few dollars in oil. The spray can rust preventatives on hardware shelves cost $8 to $15 each for the same chemistry with propellant added. Number 3. The scale the industry hides. Everything scales without changing a single principle. Homeowner treating a hinge, 1 cup of solution. Restoration shop treating antique machinery, 50-gallon tank. The ratio, contact time, and post-treatment window are identical at every scale. Citric acid in bulk costs under $2 per pound and treats hundreds of surfaces, under 5 cents per application. A $25 commercial rust remover treating 5 surfaces costs $5 each. The math is not close. The reason this is not standard practice has nothing to do with chemistry. It has everything to do with who profits from your not knowing. Number 2. What comes back completely? Rusted wrenches, hand planes, chisels, clamps, tools sitting in garages for decades, the vast majority recover completely. Rust is a surface phenomenon on most tool-grade steel. The metal underneath is intact. After soaking and scrubbing, machined surfaces reappear, sharp corners return, and plating that survived remains. The functionality is fully recovered because the metal was never damaged, only its surface was. Tools worth $200 rescued for $1 and one overnight soak. Remember that the next time you reach for a $30 bottle. Number 1. The complete 4-step protocol. Every number on this list leads here. 4 steps. All required. Skip any one and the results fail. Step 1. Mix saturated solution, 8 tablespoons of citric acid powder per cup of warm water, fully dissolved. Scale quantity, never the ratio. Step 2. Submerge completely or wrap in saturated material sealed in plastic. Surface rust, 30 minutes to 2 hours. Deep rust, 12 to 24 hours. Time cannot be replaced by effort. Step 3. Rinse completely under running water while scrubbing with a stiff brush. Everything lifts clean. The bare metal underneath is exposed. Step 4. Apply protection within 30 minutes. Penetrating oil for stored tools. Self-etching primer for paint. Seasoning oil in a hot oven for cast iron. Cavity wax for enclosed automotive sections. Not optional. That is the entire protocol. $1. 4 steps. The same result that professional restoration operations charge hundreds for, available at your grocery store this afternoon. Every rusted tool you discarded. Every $30 bottle you purchased. Every surface that rusted back within weeks. All of it was this protocol away from a completely different outcome. If this saved you money today, subscribe, because every video on this channel is built on the same principle. The right information costs less than the wrong product. Hit the bell so you catch the next one, and drop in the comments what you are treating first. The right answer might surprise the people reading below you.